Welcome to the session in which we will talk about how to select a suitable product or service opportunity for a business. The most important decision that an entrepreneur could make is about what type of products or services to sell. So, what are some of the factors that the entrepreneur must consider? Let's take a look. The first assessment should be whether there will be enough customers for the product or service. The business owner will need to find out what the market size for the business is. What will be the market share the business can achieve? She needs to realize just because that there are other similar businesses in her village does not mean that the customers will be willing to purchase from her business from the very start. One mistake that entrepreneurs make is that they believe whatever it makes will get sold easily. This is never the case. Hence, the second assessment should be to check whether the product or service of the business meets the essential needs of target customers. The third factor to examine should be whether the new business will have products and services better than the competition. Only then will the business be able to attract customers. The fourth assessment relates to whether the proposed business will have the capabilities of making the product and services necessary. Will the business have the skills, equipments and time that is required to run that type of business? Assessing each of the four factors is important as they help the entrepreneur understand whether the business idea will be successful when the business is started. It is much better to do these assessments before a business is started rather than do this later when money and effort has been spent and the business is running poorly. There are two other factors which would help a new business be successful. These are differentiation and value addition. We have had a glimpse of differentiation in the module on competition. If a product or service can be different and better from the product or service of a competitor, then the business will benefit from this differentiated product or service. For example, in a certain town, most of the sugarcane juice vendors sell juice made from sugarcane that is not cleaned before crushing. This allows some of the dirt to mix with the juice. In the same town, a sugarcane juice seller takes the effort to wash and clean the sugarcane stems with water before the sugarcane is crushed. Customers can see the lady wash and clean the sugarcane stems in front of them. The seller also makes it a point to mention to the customers that cleaning the stems gives a better taste to the sugarcane juice. What the lady is doing is differentiating her services from that of her competitors, as she is now providing a better service. Differentiation changes and improves the product or services in the eyes of the customer. The lady may even consider charging a higher price for her service. The second factor that helps new businesses is value addition. Value addition is when something more is offered along with a product or service. A common experience is that of any big restaurant in town. These restaurants will have a general seating section as well as an air-conditioned section for customers. The food served in both these areas is the same, but the price charged are different. Here, the provision of an air-conditioned section is a value addition. A production business could also have value additions in what they make and sell. A women-led solar lantern business could provide additional 12 months warranty for the solar lamps they make. Such an offer is seen as value addition. The solar business can charge a higher price for the solar lamps because of the value addition. In summary, let us restate the important considerations when selecting a suitable product or service opportunity for a business. The entrepreneur will need to check whether the business opportunity will be able to attract customers and satisfy the needs of the customers. The products and services of the new business should be better than that of other similar businesses. The business owner must be able to build the capabilities needed to run the business. Differentiation and value addition opportunities will help new businesses make their products and services more attractive to the customer. The entrepreneur should actively seek out these opportunities.